Hi guys, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Kitengela and I'm going to give you a tour of this mansion. Okay, the specs of this mansion are: it's a 4-bedroom with an SQ and a plinth area of 170 square meters. The mansion is built on a 50 by 100 lot and the price is 17 million. The tour of this property starts from the front yard of this property. As you can see, it's very beautiful here. You have your green grass that can be used as a kids play area, or you can create your gazebo here. Next to me here, you have the parking area of this property. And as you can see, it's big enough to fit your 3 cars. Or you can fit your 2 cars and you have an extra parking for your guests. On my left hand side, you have the servants' quarter of this property. On my right hand side, you have the backyard of the property. And as you can see, it's very green, big and beautiful. Just look at it. You'll enjoy when you are resting here, or you enjoy while you are watering your plants in this area. This is the main entrance of this mansion. And before we get in, you have this foyer area, and as you can see, it's beautiful and it's big. Let's get in. Before we get in, I can't stop admiring how beautiful this door is. It's a combination of steel and timber. Just look at it. Let's get in. From the entrance, this is the living room of this mansion. On my right hand side, you have the dining room of this mansion, and on the far end, you have the kitchen of this mansion. Okay, let's start from here. This mansion comes with these 2 big windows that supply a lot of light during the day. If you haven't noticed, this wall is different from the other walls, and it's unique and it makes the house look beautiful. Above me, you have a very beautiful gypsum ceiling, and it is fitted with some recess lights. One thing to note is that the light fixtures and the bathroom fixtures are not fixed yet, but the developer have a list of different fixtures that will be fitted according to your desire. On my left hand side, you have the dining area of this maisonette. Just look at it. It's big enough to fit a family of 6 to 10 people. Next to me, you have an area that can be used to store your cutlery. On my right hand side, you have the kitchen of this maisonette, and it is separated from the dining area by this granite countertop. Let's have a look at the kitchen. This is the area for your fridge. Next to me, you have your double sink, and this kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. This is the area for your cooking stove, and you have more storage here and here for anything that you would like to put in this kitchen. Next to me, you have a storage section that acts as the pantry of this kitchen. Let's have a look. It's big enough for your storage, and you also have upper cabinets. This door leads to the laundry area and the kitchen garden. Let's have a look. This is the laundry area of this maisonette. On my right hand side, you have the kitchen garden that connects with the backyard of this maisonette. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen to the dining area, this is the guest room of this maisonette. Let's have a look. This is the guest bedroom of this maisonette, and it's the only bedroom on this level. On my left hand side, you have the closet of this guest room, and on my right hand side, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. This bedroom comes with these 2 windows for maximum lighting. Let's have a look at the closet of this guest room. It's big enough and it's beautiful. The closet comes with 2 drawers here, and you have extra storage up here. Next to me, you have the bathroom of this guest room. Let's have a look. It's a big bathroom, and you have your sink area here, and you have an area for your shower cubicle. As I said, these bathrooms do not have the fixtures yet. Let's head upstairs for the rest of the tour. From the guest bedroom, this is the common bathroom of this maisonette, and it's big enough. Let's head up. On this level, you have the two kids' bedrooms and the primary bedroom. Let's start with the kids' bedrooms. This is the first kids' bedroom, and it's big enough for your kids. You have your closet on this side and you have your bathroom on that side. So let me show you the closet. This is big for your girls or for your boys, and you have additional drawers here for more storage. You also have an extra space up here. As you can see, you are getting a lot of light from these two windows. Next to me, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. Let's have a look. It's spacious enough for your kids. Let's head to the next bedroom. From the first kids' bedroom to the second kids' bedroom. Wow. This bedroom is way bigger than the other bedroom that we just left. I think it was designed for twins. Let's have a look at the closet. It's very big for your kids. You have extra shelves here for more storage, and you have an extra space here, these cabinets, for more storage. This room comes with a big window that supplies a lot of light during the day. Next to me, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. Let's have a look. Just follow me. It's a very big bathroom. You have a section for your sink here, and you have your shower cubicle area here. Let's head to the primary bedroom. From the second kid's bedroom, this is the primary bedroom. But before I show you that, you have an extra storage here. Let me show you the primary bedroom. Wow. This is a very big bedroom for you and your partner. And it comes with a balcony. Let's have a look. This balcony gives you a very good view of Kitengela. Just have a look. It's really green and beautiful. Let's have a look at the bathroom of this primary bedroom. Before you get into the bathroom, you have your closets here. Let's have a look. Just follow me. This is one side of the closets, and as you can see, it's beautiful. And then you have this section part for your other storage. You also have upper cabinets here. On the other side, you have a dressing area for your partner and extra storage. This is enough for your clothes. Next to me, you have the bathroom of this primary bedroom. Here, you have an area for your shower cubicle. Next to me, you have an area for your water closet and your sink area. That's all about this primary bedroom. That is the end of the tour. If you'd like to purchase this mansion, the details are attached below. Make sure you like the video and share. Bye.